Hey you all, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you can do in the last 60 to 75 days before SSC CGL along with how you can divide your day for maximum productivity. So make sure you watch till the end and let me know in the comments if this helps you. First, divide the next 8 weeks strategically. In weeks 1 to 3, aim to cover the major portion of the syllabus, especially the high weighted topics that carry maximum marks. Let's see what we can do in GS. Try to start with polity and complete the polity with one shot lectures in 4 days, and then try to complete the economics in 3 days with one shot lecture, and this is what you can do in the first week. In the second week, try to complete history. Well, history has 3 parts. Try to divide the revision into 3 parts as well. In the 3-3-3 ratio, 3 days for ancient history one shot, 3 days for medieval history one shot, and 3 days for modern history one shot. Then comes geography. Try to cover the major portion of the geography with one short lecture in 5 days. This will complete the 3 week. Next comes GK and current affairs. So for GK and current affairs, we got very limited time. So we are going to cover GK and current affairs with one short lecture. So for current affairs, we are going to cover the last 1 year lecture. And if possible, try to cover the daily current affair lectures from the day you start. So in these 3 weeks, we are going to cover last 6 months current affairs, two monthly one-shot lectures per week. And then for GK, we are going to cover one topic per day. Maximum 40 minutes of revision will take. Then comes maths, and for maths, what we are going to do in the first week is we are trying to cover the short chapters here. Try to cover 3 to 4 chapters like time and work, strain, distance, speed, and time. Try to complete those chapters which you found easy. Try to use the same approach for second week. And for third week, try to cover two heavy chapters which covers the major portion. By the end of the third week, you will see you have already covered 9 to 10 chapters which covers almost about 50% of the whole syllabus. For English, what you can do is try to cover one short lectures of 1 hour per day at 2x speed, and for vocab what you can do is revision for 30 to 45 minutes and do not try to make notes, take printouts or download a PDF from the Telegram channel. For reasoning, what you can do is took 30 to 40 minutes from your schedule and try to do daily question practice. This will alone boost your score. Now comes the fourth and the fifth week. For GS, what we are going to do is if you have already completed your one shot lecture, then try to do smart revision by taking out 40 minutes for each subject per day. This will help you retain the knowledge which you have already taken from the one shot lecture. It will took around 2 hours 40 minutes daily. Then comes the GK part which will remain the same, and same for the current affairs as you have already completed 6 months current affairs, and try to continue the same for the rest. For maths, what you can do is try to complete the 4 big chapters in these 2 weeks like trigonometry, algebra in the advanced maths. Here what you can add is in the first 3 weeks you can do arithmetic as you get a larger portion of time for arithmetic and its practice. So in the fourth week what you can do is try to cover geometry and mensuration, and in the second week try to cover trigonometry and algebra. This will cover the major portion for advanced maths, and for English and reasoning the approach will remain the same. One thing you must do along with this is mock test and analysis. It's a must. You can't skip this. So by the sixth week, the major portion of your syllabus is done and your major revision which you do along with the lectures daily is done. Now comes the time when you give the major portion of your time to the question practice. Try to stick on the one source. In the last 2 weeks, try to give maximum mock test along with its analysis and do not go extra. Revise what you have already done. Now comes the 8 hours study division. So for the first to third week, you can go for 5 to 5.5 hours for lecture and 2 to 3 hours for revision. In my opinion, this will help you retain the knowledge which you have gained in the same day from the same topic you have done that day, and it is the best revision technique. Then for the fourth to fifth week, try to shift the major portion of your time to the revision part. You can do 4 hours of lectures and 4 hours of revision. Try not to include the mock test part in this. Took extra 1 hour for the mock test. Then in the last 3 weeks, try to give 2 to maximum 3 hours to lectures and the major portion to the revision part. You can extend your study time as much as you want. And one more thing here is try to stick to one source per subject only. Try to solve the same question and same concept again and again. Just to speed up your game, this will help you a lot. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe and share it with your CGL friend. Okay, bye.